Nala juga Silchar lai biangi tang ayo pia sini snasrok mio lai sini ra chơi go ta ram si re nang kami ada kanyu si mio ga lai kar ngai wanita demi go mi dam go emani flyover em pene srok ko ai ter ni tana biang ni go pe lai ra ta ka dang hab yai rong sa ta mentala dei tang sing double lane biang đây sẽ 4 lane tip pa tay ya nam ya 4 lane aya ai ta tu la sedang biang 4 lane chna ga tu serok tanah ta ke dam pelok yang iba 4 lane ro hab ya de rong saj man le imarate khaman lai ra de ni siliang serok pai sna jingking flyover rong tarai ke tai dan serong napa yo lát lên là chồng cái nó lâu chưa cái nó lâu chưa pum là bộ lên kalau tiang chừng ai tao tay lại mà bay sarok chỉ biết bay thao cái sẽ chỉ spa so vào 8 km cơ ha cho tiếp ra thao bên nào bay sẽ đang em muốn sẽ pha 5 km lại pelak 4 lane tu ni biasa je ho de kai mur thut bon nama ni ber po ya wa biasa ni yang 4 lane yo ra re tang po yo wa chani sebab de yo ro don sura 4 lane tang double lane nandan muslim ma se ro sa kapot tambah bang kali dakar kadan geleng-geleng. Nepali everywhere le. They try to conquer Northeast. Dear Mizoram citizen, I see your road is under construction, so I know there will be a big improvement soon. But I noticed there are many destruction as including your house. Many houses was destroyed, so I know the citizen paying for their hard earned money to build that house. But what to do? Though we live in democracy country, we have to face this problem controlled by the government. Not only in your state, but same as in our state, Meghalaya. So we already inside the Mizoram state. Okay, so. I saw the many hilly areas, so I accepted and I understand this is true northeast, not like Assam, mostly plain areas. Okay, so as you can see in the video, this is a border, so many CRPF gate. I'm very glad to see your state has that, yes, many CRPF gate, and I hope so you did have that ILP permit also. Not like Meghalaya, we haven't have that ILP permit, so they can enter as they want. I mean outsider. But I hope, I don't know, the road is very congested and very small, so I think this is only in border. But as I get further inside your state, I hope I will see better roads, a wider road, okay, high quality one. Not like this one. This one, see, is very small. Wow, very nice though. Your state also same as Meghalaya state, very nice. Nice view. And it was hilly area and mostly forest. This can cool down the temperature much better compared to Assam. Guys, I just want to let you know that sorry for my bad English. I'm actually not an English expert. I only know in my own language, and I haven't done my education well, so my English mostly went wrong. And especially my grammar. And I have left school since many years ago, and definitely most English will be gone. And I didn't get an outsider friend from abroad that can talk or communicate with me in English. Mostly I get local friend which we can talk in our own language. So definitely English, hope you understand. If you didn't practice or keep talking with it, there is no improvement. So like talent, if God give us talent, if you don't use it, and it will disappear and He will take it back. So that's why my English was very bad. But I try my best to make you understand what I mean to say in every every moment in this video. I don't know why National Highway this much narrow. Why so narrow? I don't know. This road need improvement. We need a wider road. But the house is very congested. That makes the road very narrow. But actually the government need to update, need to make a new road. I mean, not from middle of any town, but outside town, like a bypass, no? From one city, from one town to another. Till now, we haven't reached our destination since yesterday, and whole night we didn't sleep. Okay, we just cooled down our vehicle for about half an hour, about 2 times, but I don't know why it was so far and so hilly. We cannot speed, okay, because it's hilly, so we have to climb with higher gear. So this delayed our time to reach our destination. I can see a town since 2 a.m. this morning, but took so long to reach. Till now we haven't reached it, because we cannot speed it up. As I said, it was hilly area. See, it's my first time, and I don't know, majority of you people I think is really good, kind heart, but just yesterday we found some very rude people also along the way. But I can't tell you in this video because my brother won't allow me. We already entered this town, so as I can see, it's really different from what we have. Too much hilly area. The house look like a stair to heaven. I don't know how they climb up there with their legs, not with a lift. I mean, like, especially for rich people, like big house up there, how they take their vehicle till their house to park it there. How they take their vehicle, I don't know. I have no idea. It might be different from what I think. Maybe I see that big house up the hill. It's like 1 kilometer or 500 meters far away from this road. But I think the way they take the vehicle, it took them so long, maybe 5 or 6 kilometers, due to the hilly area, extreme hilly area. So the road needs to be long, okay, and long and turn. But mostly road till now, since we enter Mizoram, all roads are narrow, even national highway. See? Okay, I'm gonna talk in my own language. Pilot. Pinya ipe. Sa do stay na do menin ngiwan na tay bet tay ipi do lain sar stay ang yeng sem ang tay don surok. Kelain na do meni ar meni step ngi poi ngi i kani sar sene tamba. Hado mentabat ngi 4 pore jaka penham. Tay tang na kadaw ba turning than surok. Ngam tibre kumno ke ra kali sa tay sa jerong. Harangin dia i ke yeng tang tay ma. Ang ba kalipat kasim turning hado kano ban pos tay jaka. Stan taksi. Oh, dar ma. Le kali tin gari la. Welcome to aizawl. Habibi. Alto in 100 or something else. First I was confused what kind of vehicle with the same color, okay? But soon later it won't took me long enough to realize that it was taxi. So this determines the true value of northeast hilly area because Assam have only an auto rickshaw, so it's mainly plain area. So the thing I was confused because in our state taxi was painted in different color as compared to Mizoram government, okay?